pretty much since Caitlin Clark got assaulted in the very first damn game. We done seen countless attacks on Caitlin Clark.
The story everyone else is missing just became crystal clear, while other channels are chasing rumors about FBI investigations that don't actually exist. I've been connecting the dots on something far more concrete and far more dangerous for the WNBA. There's a legal roadmap sitting in plain sight, and it leads directly from Diaraka Hamby's courtroom victory to what could be the most devastating civil rights case in sports history. I'm Jackson Riley, and welcome back to the channel, where we filter out the noise and follow the digital breadcrumbs to the real story. Today, we're diving deep into the legal precedent that makes Caitlin Clark's situation an absolute nightmare for Commissioner Kathy Engelbert and the WNBA's legal team. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, because we're about to break down the legal blueprint that other creators are completely ignoring. Hit that notification bell, because this analysis connects pieces that nobody else is putting together. Here's what we're covering today. First, the Diaraka Hamby precedent that proves the WNBA is vulnerable to civil rights lawsuits. Second, how Hamby's successful legal strategy creates an exact roadmap for Clark's team. Third, the statistical evidence that makes Clark's case even stronger than Hamby's ever was. And finally, why the WNBA's silence isn't just bad PR anymore. It's potentially catastrophic legal exposure. Let's start with what happened to Diaraka Hamby, because this is the foundation for everything that's coming next. In 2023, Diaraka Hamby was traded from the Las Vegas Aces after announcing her pregnancy. What seemed like a simple roster move turned into a federal discrimination case that should have been a warning shot to every WNBA front office. Hamby didn't just complain to the media or hope for public sympathy. She filed a federal lawsuit alleging pregnancy discrimination, hostile work environment, and retaliation. Here's the part that should terrify the WNBA. She won. In May 2024, Hamby reached a settlement with the Las Vegas Aces for $2.2 million. But more importantly than the money, the case established something that legal experts are calling a judicial precedent for workplace discrimination claims. In professional women's basketball, the legal framework Hamby's team used wasn't complicated. They documented a pattern of differential treatment, hostile workplace conditions, and league inaction. They showed how pregnancy discrimination created an environment where Hamby couldn't perform her job safely and effectively. They proved that the WNBA, as the governing body, failed in its duty to protect players from discriminatory treatment. Sound familiar? Because reading through the legal documents, the parallels to Caitlin Clark's situation are absolutely stunning. Now, I've been filtering through the online conversation, and the temperature around Clark's treatment has reached a boiling point. The signals are pointing to something much bigger than basketball disagreements. We're looking at a systematic pattern that could make Hamby's case look like a warm-up. Let me walk you through the legal roadmap, step by step. First, establishing a pattern of differential treatment. Hamby's lawyers documented how she was treated differently than other players in similar situations. With Clark, the evidence is overwhelming. According to statistical analysis from the 2024 WNBA season, Clark received 17.1% of all flagrant fouls, despite being just one of hundreds of players. The probability of this occurring randomly, according to data analysts,